If you want to enable theft protection on OPPO Reno 15, first of all we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the security and privacy, and then in here we can go to the device unlock, and then we have the theft protection. We can find a bunch of different options that can be quite helpful with protecting your phone. For example, we have the identity check, which you can easily set up. We have the remote lock, as well as the Find Hub or Find My Device with Find Your Offline Devices section as well. Not only that, we can find the theft detection lock option, offline device lock option, SIM lock, and also if we go back to the security and privacy, and in here we go to more security and privacy, you should also be able to find, let's say, the payment protection in here, which is also apparently accessible in the phone manager app, and the require password to power off, or the the password requirement when you try to shut down the phone. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.